Hello and welcome to the first video on how to use Frog to set up very straightforward sites to be used with students. So this first video will be looking at how you set up a new site, and what you need to do, you need to click on Frog Drive along the top once you've logged in, which will bring up your files. You need to click on Sites, you can see my one's there, and then you click on New Site. Now it's important to spend a little bit of time thinking about the name you give the site, because that will appear on the site. So I'm going to call this one Frog Site Page, and underneath it would be useful to write a brief description. Again, this appears on your site page, so you need to give some thought. If it's a lesson, it might be quite nice to put your objective in here, but for this one I'm just going to put a site to practice using Frog, and you click Next. What you can then do is choose your theme. You have choices along the top there. Can just be blank. I tend to at the moment just use the Abbey Wood sign there, and then the second thing you can choose is what your site icon will be. That will become relevant later on, so don't worry too much about that. But seeing as I'm designing a frog page, I'm going to choose a frog, and then you click on Next. The next choices you've got is how you tag your page. Now mostly you're going to be tagging it as curricular because it's going to be used in lessons, but you can change the key stage, and then you can add words, keywords by which students can search for it. So I'm just going to put test here, and then I'm going to click on Create Site. And that brings to an end the very first video, which is just to create the site. Others will follow on how you can actually change the site and how it looks and how to upload work. Thank you.